What's one of the craziest things on the internet? Crash compilations. And guess what we're doing? Crash compilations. Now, this is all new for 2024 because it's insane car crash compilation, best of USA and Canada. Let's watch some crazy crash compilations. What was that? Why did he just change lanes? The white truck did stop. Thank God. That's a nice insurance settlement right there. Someone's getting a nice insurance settlement. That's going to be good. He's blasting rock music. What? Oh my God!
Mother.
Oh my God. Oh, he's got a face mask. He got wrecked. That Infiniti, it's an Infiniti G37 owner. What do you expect? What is he doing? Look at this. Oh, to be fair, though, you know what? It's the guy with the Lexus. The guy with the Lexus is at fault. He was turning left when the other guy had a green, I think. To the child. There was a child? Oh, my God. All right, here we go. Ram drivers. Look at him. He's got his tow mirrors out. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, that's not that crazy. That's all right. Oh. Never mind. Oh, and he took off. Ram owners. They're a special breed. Friend of mine got ran off the freeway today. Oh, my God. Oh, Tesla Model 3.
He's helping Dylan, and Caden's got a race tonight that I was going to ask if you want to.
Oh, my God.
What?
Someone just ran a red light.
Are you okay?
Is she crying? Why are you crying?
I
He
have a
barely
death
tapped
grip.
you. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, someone's going to jump this. Here we go. What? What is she doing? What is she doing? Was she running? Hold on, here we go, here we go, here we go. California, of course. Okay. Oh.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Damn, he got T-bone. Oh my God, look at the bus. Oh, okay.
I honestly, I don't know. It was a stop.
Oh, and he ran.
Kind of both of their faults because neither of them could go, so.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh. Bro, some of these crashes are so dumb. Like, do you not see it's a red light? What are you doing? Here we go, here we go. Oh. Oh, look at this one. Here we go. Oh. Now I feel kind of bad at laughing at this guy. 3 years of hard work gone in 10 seconds? Oops. Is he singing?
Just wanna believe in something.
What? Okay. Here we go, here we go. Jeep. Oh! Oh! Old lady runs a stop sign and hits me. At least there's no injuries. That's all that matters. The heck is this? Florida? Oh my God! Oh, that Tesla got clapped. Stupid driver who ran the red light. Deserves what comes next. Sounds about right. Idiots. I'm just complete idiots. Look at him. Yeah, the guy with the Tesla's at fault for sure. I think that's a Tesla. It looks like, yeah, it's a Tesla. No, is it? No. I don't know what it is. Oh. Yep. Oopsie daisy. Oh, this looks like it's here. Oh. Just a little quarter T-bone. I called 911. Wow. A broken hand? What? Oh. Now here comes a big deal.
Come on, bro.
He was unlicensed, unregistered, and uninsured. Better be insured. Albuquerque. I mean, these aren't like crazy crash compilations. This video made it sound like we're going to be seeing some crazy stuff going on. This guy did flip over, but it wasn't crazy. Just another day driving in ABQ. Nice. I just don't understand. Why would you run? There's cameras on every intersection. Why would you run? Like, oh, here we go. We got a trailblazer. Oh my God. He just crashed in the house. A young girl who just turned 18 drove into the side of my house. Oh my God. I mean, how dumb can you be? Oh God, it's a C300. What is she doing? What is she doing? Oh, it's a Charger. Oh, look at him. He's running. He's running. Oh my God. Dodge owners. What do you expect? Oh, that was close. I'd chase him down. I would chase him down. He might be strapped. No, he's gone. He is gone. Miami. Oh my God. No. No. Well, that's his own fault, yeah. Ooh. Oh my God, look at the door on that Odyssey. Ohio? Oh.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Oh my God. Hit and run. Greenville, South Carolina. You guys let us know what you think of those crash compilations. There were some crazy ones. I gotta tell you guys. That one with I think the guy was driving a green Jeep. The one that where like the second one where it flipped. Man, I mean, there are some idiots out there. If you're running red lights, what are you doing? Surprisingly, we didn't see any BMW owners on this video. Let us know if you want to see more content like this. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.